you say?
Taura ndimene baba.
You see, your problem is very big and yet very small.
Dambudziko renyu rinoita serakakura asi riri diki zvaro.
Go there. I will address your problem. You see, what is happening to you
Chiri kuitika kwamuri
is that
ndechekuti
your level of there is an attack
pane hondo
in his memory.
yanangana
I'm
nendangariro
seeing
dzenyu.
something like a growth
Ndiri kuona sechimwe chinhu chiri kukura
in the brain. There is
muropi
something
hwavo.
that is developing in his brain,
Pane chiri kukura muropi hwavo.
and he doesn't know what it is.
Havazive kuti chii.
Let him go to the doctors.
Ngavaende kunana chiremba.
They will find out there is something developing in the brain.
Vachaona kuti pane chiri kukura muropi hwavo.
The only manifestation that is taking place now
Kuzviratidza kwazvo kuri kuitika iko
is that
zvino
if this man,
ndikokuti murume uyu
there was a time when you were even called for a job,
pane nguva yamakatomboshedzwa kuti muite basa.
and on the day you even forgot.
Pazuva rachiriro mukakanganwa.
Imagine.
Pafunge ipapo.
Go there, I'm coming.
Amen.
Ndiani unoona zviri mukati mepfungwa dzemunhu kunze kwaMwari?
It's okay. We need to pray for this girl as well,
Tinofanira kunamatira mwanasikana uyu zvakare
against migraine headaches.
nhau yekutemwa
It's a
nemusoro
case
zvakanyanyika.
it's a case in the family.
Kutukwa kuri mumwoyo.
Your head spins sometimes. You know,
Musoro
spinning.
chinomboita seuri
Like
kutenderera dzimwe nguva.
like you're free. Do you?
Tinogona kuomberera Jesu.
You said he's your brother. Is there anything that I explained that you know? Have you seen anything on him?
Pane zvindatsanangura
It's true, man of God. He used to work together with my father at the same
vaishanda pamwe
company.
chete nababa vangu mukambani imwe chete.
But my father always complained that this my brother. Sometimes he forgets everything. He moved kind of slow when he was given a task to do. And he lost his job.
You said you are the brother to this one. We'll keep on praying for him. The memory shall be restored. He will begin to remember again.
Man of God,
Okay?
before you prophesied to Tatenda there, this gentleman came to confirm his brother's prophecy. His name is also Tatenda.
You are also Tatenda.
The moment I came in, you mentioned the name Tatenda.
I will pray for you. God will bless you. You will have something to do with vehicles. Okay.
Okay.
You will have something to do with vehicles. So doors will be opening up.